We're here at the Bungy Bridge, the World Home of Bungy. We're extremely lucky and fortunate that we have people from all walks of life come through here and do a truly life-changing experience. We like to say here that bungee jumping is a challenge from the neck up, not necessarily the neck down. It takes a huge amount of determination and courage to take a leap of faith and jump off the bridge. When you've done it though, the sense of accomplishment, the sense of pride, but more importantly, the self-confidence that you get is incredible. We want you guys to take those skills that you've learned and use them in your own personal and professional life. And that's why we've teamed up with Paul from New Zealand, who we believe complements what we do extremely well. We've developed adventure and metaphor for life.
Adventure is a powerful metaphor for life. The way in which a person embraces a challenge and the uncertainty during an activity like the bungee jump here, for example, can often reflect how they manage challenge and adversity in their everyday life.
You got it? Yep. Okay, I'll put my foot back, I'm going to lean, you're going to hold me, I'm going to balance. Ready? Yep. So everybody has a chance to come up and do this. Take the risk. Come on over.
During the workshop, we explore simple strategies that help us to be more adventurous in our everyday life.
Commit, Tony, okay? And as you exhale, is when you lunge forward. And like most things in life, if you do it with trepidation, it'll be harder. Whether if you just commit, boom, the aim, dear.
Thank you.
It's fashion. There we go. So the first breath is just to breathe. So big, deep breath.
And I literally just walk forward.
Lunge.
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 Oh God, it's real sharp.
Yeah, it's a sharp. Away we go.
It's real sharp.
I know, it's an arrow.
This is not a joke.
And the third one. Go, 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 go! Hey, Tony. Well done.
The value lies in relating the experience back into their personal and professional lives. Helping people realise that if they're able to challenge themselves and achieve here, then they can do that anywhere.